All right, good morning, good afternoon, people. I think the SPRO try to squeeze right now, right here. This one try to squeeze, look at it. Let's see what's going on. If this one break 245, you see the moon, okay, at the hour. All right, it's try to right here. The classic guy, the hole on the VWAP. The hole on the VWAP is called dip and rip. It dip here, the short thing is go down and it's squeeze right now. And then when it break for 245, it go to the moon. That's all. All right, that's all. If this one underneath the VWAP, you need to get out 270. The VWAP 220. Under 220, you need to get out.
Hey traders, awesome to see you all here.
Classic guy, nothing to worry. But be careful in the watching. I love to watch this stuff. Sit here and waiting. Waiting is your job, guys. Waiting is your job.
And also, I would like to ask you all kindly to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And again, I'll see you guys.
All right, 245. You see the moon. It take 245 start to go down. That's all. Usually, the short jump last short today 245. Okay, so when it break 245, the short squeeze, you can go back up all the way here, 295. Classic VBS setup, power lunge. All right, here the deal. Okay, this one is too much volume and not moving. That means computer trading. Okay, this one is computer trading. All right, you try to move right here. It's 180 million share today. 180 million share not moving. Okay, it's up only 24% or 240%. 240%, not 24. All right, and then the last short, because that's so big though. Because very liquid, last year, so they can say 50,000 share, 100,000 share easy. See, try right here. Look, 240, all the way down here. Look at that. It's very choppy. All right, and see what's going on. Let's see. All right, let's see 5 minutes right here. It's 5 minutes. You see right there? It's 5 minutes. Look, right here. 247 right there. It's short 245. It touched almost and then start go down. Let's see what's going on. The volume pick up lately. This is called dip and rip. Okay. This one, the short thing is they're ready to short. They love it. They say, "Oh, I short right here." Okay. And then it not move down. That's the problem. They love it right now. That's all. Depend on the buyer. If the buyer step in, it's okay. If not, just short again. This is allowed. Usually short is professional. Okay. So keep that in mind, guys. Is the short right now? They don't short. They don't short at the after hour. Okay. Pre-market and after hour, usually they cannot short. They don't want to short. Pre-market very hard to short. After hour very hard to short. So it's trying to squeeze right now and see what's going on. Look at this. Look at that guy. Classic guy. If you buy breakout here, you don't earn a lot. You know, the risk and reward is totally different now. The risk not much, the reward not much, but the risk a lot. So, all right. So right here you plan your trade. Okay, here you plan your trade. Watching. Okay, when it break, you go to 295. You make maybe 30 cents, but very hard. But when you down, you can have 100% because this one up 240% right now. So that's why the short waiting. The problem, they have a lot of short this lady. This one right here, come down here, I see 217 people right here, you need to get out, that's all. And long, no, I don't long. You know, if this one break, 250, and then see what happens. I don't make decision. Let the market make decision. All right, let the market make decision, guy. But it's fun. It's fun to watch, guy. Look at it, this one this morning, crazy. Edge here, right here. Imnn, I tried to get in Imnn this morning. It took my stop right here, started to go higher. That's called deep and rip. I know underneath here, be careful, $2.90, $3. Look right here, guys. I know that. After that, I don't touch it. I said I know that took my stop and then I go. Right here. See, I got into 320. I see I buy 371. Look all the way. I think right here, I get in somewhere. Let me see. Okay. I get in 326. And I sell, I think I sell something. I sell 240 somewhere. Right here. I buy, I sell it 375, 371, right there. And then I put the stop right here, 199. Oh, look at it. I put the stop right here, 199. It took my 199, 299 guy. It took 299 right there. That's crazy. That's crazy, guy. Look at this one. It cannot break right there. Let me touch it, go down. It happened, crazy. That's right. That's why it's very hard to buy breakout right now. A lot of short in control. Crazy, guy. Crazy. And talk about IN. Here the good trade, this one right here. Let me see, where my good trade? IMMN right here, this is a good trade. IMNN. AMMM, look at this. Buy 180, sell at 2. Right here. Sell 212, buy 184. Sell 210, sell 210, and then the $2 get out all, sell all right here. Crazy guy. Right there. Sell, buy, sell. Make even today. Crazy. This guy right here. I jump in right here. 320, sell all the way here. 375 right here. Crazy guy, crazy. This is a crazy one, okay? Very hard to trade. Choppy, chop. Very choppy. Right here. It's touched right. I put too close. I'm supposed to put 295 or something right here. You see right here, 293 perfect. It touched it. And then after that, it rip off. So when you see deep and rip, that's a good time because this one's short squeeze right here. When it touched the support and then start to curve back up. Doesn't buy a step in, that's all. It's good trade, but turn out it's good trade. Okay, it's good. I don't know exactly, but it's bad luck. I got too close right here. Okay, first of all, I got in right here. Where is that? When the market opened, I think right here. I got in right here. Okay, right here, buy more right here and sell all the way up here. Okay, and then when it starts to go down, I get in here. Okay, I think it's support right here. Try to buy at the support, and then I stop right here and hit the stop. Crazy. I put out 299 after a while. Supposed to be 270. Supposed to be 260, 296 better, not 99. It put right here, so to rip all the way to 430. That's a crazy one, guy. And then that's it. After, see, when you buy breakout here, underneath here, you need to sell, get out. Look at it, perfect. That's the setup right there. That's the plan. If you do not hold support, you need to get out right here. Because this one short start to short it. That's all. Short here, hold on right here. The short more right here. That's a classic short right there, guys. Classic, easy, automatic. See, when you buy breakout, that's the problem. You don't make a lot, but you can lose a lot because this one up about 100, about 200 points this morning, about 200% this morning. Right now up 152. Crazy guy, right here. Right now up 152, 154 right now. See, all the way down. You see here my rule right here. Here the rule. Okay, what rule? 80-20 rule. That means 80% waiting. You have to wait long, guys. You have to wait long. You don't buy too early. You don't sell too early. You have to wait. Let the market tell you what to do. Learning. Or let's check out this one. Look at that guy. See when it's pop. After hour, they have some new pop right there. See some new come out. Let's see what's going on. You buy ball plus only. Ball plus. Right there, guy. Ball plus. Come up too much. Let it pull back. Volume, watching the volume. And waiting. $6 go to $8, 2 points. Crazy guy. Every day. AI too. Okay, watch out. Imnn. This is a good one too. I jump right here 180. I sell all the way up here. Look at it. And then this one break out here. You need to get out. That's all. This is a backside. Oh, this one backside. So don't touch backside, okay? I'd rather trend line right there, okay? Look, perfect right there, okay? Ball flat, a lot ball flat, deep and deep. See when it's short right here, the cover. This one classic too. You watch how the chart, okay? The chart tells exactly what they want, what the market wants. Okay? The chart, if you know how to read the chart, you have no emotional. But you look at the chart, you know all the emotional behind the chart. Okay? Look right here. Morning, where I get in. What time I get in, I forgot. Let me see. I get in 9:35. Somewhere right here, 9:35. What I get in? 9:35, 207. Am I 207, 208? 9:35. Okay. 207, 38, 935. Is that 935? Right here. Okay, somewhere right here. Okay, very small side. 5, 10, 20 share, and then after this, I buy a couple of hundred share. All right, 10, 5, done. Pull all the way back. Touch $2. Look right here. You see 2. Come down, down, down. Support 180, 180. Waiting. I waiting. And I buy 184. Yep, I buy 184. I buy a lot right here, 184. Right? So when it come right here, beware, the short thing is short. The thing is the in control. And then when the curve back up, then nerve it, okay? Beware. The beware right here important. When you look at the beware, pull back and the beware, ball flat, and then start to curve, curve, curve. And I sail all the way to where I sail. 212. Sail all the way to 212. 212, guys. The highest 212. Yeah, all the way here. This one don't make a lot, but it's, you know, it's fun. All right. This guy tried to back up right now. Look at it. Look, guys. Look at this one. Okay, this one classic right here. So you have to be patient, watching, waiting. Look right here. Look. Look right there, guys. Look at that. Look at that. See? Deep and rip. They call deep and rip right there, guys. Deep and rip. And then let's see squeeze or not. Who in control right now? 247. Short, long, try to control right there. Look, not easy, guys. Look at that. It maybe fake break out. The short big right there, 250. And then when the short 250 and then I buy a step in, the squeeze to $3. Crazy, guys. This is a classic. I see this all day long, guys. Let them fighting. You have to wait. You cannot do nothing here. Waiting, waiting. Sit here, relax, waiting, guys. Let the market tell you what to do. Waiting. If you break 260, you can jump in and then you get out 250. That's all. If you're wrong, get out. Bottom not pick it up. That's the problem. It's waiting, guys. It's fun. Sit here and wait. See? They try to short right there, 240. Live stream, guys. Live stream. It's live right now, not Mickey Mouse. After this, you can say anything you want. But right now, see what you're thinking, okay? What you're planning. First of all, you have the plan, okay? You have the plan. All right. If down here, you see right here, I say down here, you get out. All of them. Because the short in control right here. That's what happened, okay? This is a deep and rip, okay? Right here, you see right here. Deep and rip. The short thing is okay. That's the part, the short underwater right now, okay? The thing is short, 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 and then look at it. Boom, 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 buy a step in. The squeeze all the way back up right here. From $2, $2.10, $2.05, all the way to $2.50. Look at that, guys. See? That's all you trade. You trade right here only. Okay? I call 20-30, 20-80 rule. Okay, 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule, guys. 80-20 rule. Okay? That means 80% waiting. That's 80% waiting, guys. You trade only 20%. Alright? Trading with your plan. You have the plan first. You're waiting 80%. You wait. You plan. Okay. Then you try it. See it. Look at that guy. Look at 245 right now. Look at that. Classic guy. 245 cannot break 245. Short, try to short it. Because no volume, no buy step in. Enough to get squeezed, but not buy step in. Look at that. Crazy. Look, you look at me again. When about 236, I say go to I draw the line right there, guy. I draw a line right there. It's not Mickey Mouse. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. And don't think, okay? You have the brain, you have the eye, you have the ear. The ear can hear right here, and the eye you can see, right? But the most thing is that your subconscious control you the most. That means your brain. Sometimes you see number one, but you say, oh, maybe number two later on. Your brain telling you different. When you put 10,000 in the stuff, your emotional control you. That means your brain. Doesn't matter what you see, okay? When you see something, you don't care, okay? Because the brain control you, that's all. Alright? The brain control you. So when you see, so how you solve the problem, okay? Try to listen to your brain. You have to wake up, okay? You have to concentrate and see what is the market tell you, and listen to yourself, what you're thinking. Okay, look like I'm thinking what my arm working right now. Okay, that's called control your subconscious. That's all. Because your brain automatically do something very stupid. Because subconscious is not reasonable. It's there. When somebody tap your shoulder, you react right away. You want to scare, you protect yourself. That's called subconscious. That's all, okay? So right now the chart, you buy 10,000, 1,000 share, 500 share, and then your subconscious control you. When it go down, you say, oh, it go up again. It will go up again. And you don't listen to, you don't see, you see the chart, but you don't want to hear the chart. You don't want it. That's called subconscious, guy. See, when it go up, you say, oh, go down again, you know? But when it go down, your subconscious say, oh, it will go up again. Depend on your short or long. But your subconscious always wrong, okay? Your subconscious is dreaming, it's online. It's dreaming. It's not real. The chart, what you see is real, but you don't want to see it. For example, you buy it, what's that, 240, the buy too early, start to go down, and then you know it go down, you see it, right? But your subconscious say, oh, maybe I buy more right here, and then it's going to go up right here to 245, I sell it, and then when you sell it, all the way to $3. Okay, when you sell right here, and that's an A+ setup right here, okay? Okay, when you're in right here, you are right here, okay? You are right there. You have to get a plan before your subconscious control you. Simple like that. Okay, and this one they go up 240% already, so that's your FOMO. If this one break, how high can it go? You know, it's already go high, too high already. That's why a lot of shorts say, oh, I go to short it. Come on, man. See, a lot of shorts say, oh, 245 so high, I need to short right now. All right, look at here. Okay, this one called 20% trading with plan. Okay, so why they short it? The short right here, look at it, the short. It not go down, guy, crazy. See, the logic behind say, oh, 200%, it go down to up 100%, I'm out. But Or EFFI, this one moving yesterday. NVIDIA go down, is that right? Why NVDX go down? That means short NVIDIA? It's jumped like crazy. This long NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA go up now. Look at that guy, look at NVIDIA. They have earnings today or something. You see? I don't listen to the chart. NVIDIA go up right now like crazy, guy. NVIDIA, look right here. NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA. 139. Crazy guy, 139. NVIDIA, good earning. Choppy, choppy, choppy. NVIDIA earning. Let's see what they do. Pump and dump or what? NVIDIA, Tesla. Stock fell on Wednesday at investor waiting for earning. Okay, they have good news already. They pump up and see what's going on. Usually 240, 140 is resistant right here, and see what's going on right here. Look right here, see daily chart. 141, 141 start to go down. Let's see. Let's see NVIDIA. This is a nice ball plot right here. See. The earnings not coming in now, but the charts here good. Look at it. See? You guys see that? Look. SMCI moving good. See? 140. This is a daily chart right here. See what's going on. Bop, bop, bop. 140. Let's see, break 140 or not. Ball plus. I don't trade NVIDIA. NVTS, I like NVTS moving. Look at this one, dead. This one moved yesterday, still moving right now. Yeah, no. The pump and dump already. Look at pump up, dump. Pump and dump. It's not break the VWAP. You need to break the VWAP. You see right here VWAP? Need to break right there. The palm when you jump, then curve back up, you need to break right here, guys. Need to break right here, 660, 670. Yesterday jump. Let's see yesterday. Look at here yesterday. Look right here. See, from $4 all the way to $7.50 yesterday. And then come back down all the way down. Right now here, resistance right here. Plus it. Support $6. Support $6, that's all. Nothing good. Not a good setup at all. Just relax. Just relax, guys. Nothing good. NVDS. Three minutes. Right here, support. Right here, resistance. This one jitter, you know, overreact right here. That's a heavy resistance.
Awesome to see you all.
And here, easy support right here.
Just an important announcement. This stream
When you want to buy, you buy 270, 280.
The live features, so the live stream, the live commentary,
Right here.
access to our
You need to break right there for A+ setup.
chat, then use the link that we have in the description. Just
Right
for
here.
this
You
video.
buy right here.
And also, I would like to ask you all kindly to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.
When you look at the chart, you have the plan, okay?
And again, I'll see you guys out there. Thank you.
Sell likelihood, you sell here. Likelihood, you sell here. Down here, you go to sell it. Why I put down sell only? I don't put buying. You know why? You can buy anything. The problem is very hard to sell. When you make profit, at 270, 70, 750, you make profit, you say go higher. You don't want to sell. And but the chart says be careful right there. You hold right here, if not, you get out. That's all. If that doesn't here, $6, you sell it, you cannot sell because you just buy 650. Your subconscious say no, it go up again. But the chart, when you see it, it say breaking chart, you need to get out, that's all. You get out, that's all. Look at this one, not moving. Told you. Look at that, holding right there. 217, 16 right there, right there. You see right there? It hold my line right there. Crazy, huh? The line work or not? It hold right there. It need to break right here to get. It need to break right here to go lower, but it cannot go lower. It's up 210%. You see that stock market? Crazy, huh? Look right here. A short thing is ready. The short say, whoa, it's short. I short and make even right now. Short right here. But they don't let go down. Look at that guy. You guys don't believe me, right? Let me clear all the chart, all the line you go to confuse, okay? Look at this one. I draw the line, you see very easy, right? Why stop right there? Why stop right there? Why don't you clear the line, guy? Clear it. Look at that. You don't know what's going on, right? Check the chart. That's why I love drawing line, guy. I love it, I love it, love it. Okay? First of all, when I see this, I draw a line right here. First of all, line, one line. Right here, one line right here, okay? Over here, two. Over here, VWAP. Right here. Down here. And over here, hammer. Buy a step in right there. Buy a step in right here, okay? Supposed to be right here, right there, better. That's it. Then when you go up, I know right here. I know right here, very hard to get out right here. Classic. Right here. That's a sell signal. When it breaks, you can jump in. Underneath here, you get out. Over here, underneath here, you need to get out. Right now, you don't jump in. They're even a bear flash. I told you when it breaks, but no volume. Look at here, no volume, guy. This called volume. This one is called volume right here. See? This is called volume. This is called volume right here. But not this. Nothing. No volume, no trade, guys. No volume, no trade. Alright? Not complicated, guys. No volume, no trade. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA go down 140. Very good news today. But 140, very hard to break 140. Very hard to break 140, guys. Alright, what else, guys? You guys want to check something? Oh, I saw something, I forgot. What's that? ORIC. Look, ORIC, see? Look, it not break the ball flat. It's stuck right there. Look at that, guy. Look at that. See? When you not break the ball flat, don't touch it. That's usually the top. Start to go down. Down, down, down. Support right there or no? Usually $7. Yep, makes sense. Makes sense, $7. Under 7, get out. Under 7, get out. Got. COGT. COGT. Look at that, crazy. Jump and dump. Crazy. Something good new. That's why I go up. What else, guys? I think that's it, huh? Any questions, guys? No questions? No question? You guys so quiet. That's why I don't want to live stream. I don't want to talk to by myself. Nothing. You know, today I want to trade hollow at about $7, and then busy. I go somewhere else. But look here, hollow, guy. Look here, hollow. See, hollow. You see it run like crazy. All right, hollow. This morning, right here, about $7. Look at that guy, hollow. All right, this today. Look at it today. From $5 go to 10, double it up. I know hollow, guy. Hollow usually move like crazy. See, right here. It's go up too much already. I say okay. But when you know right here, look at this guy. Break right here, new high. Look at it, keep going higher, higher. Crazy. Crazy guy. Let's see hollow, okay? How to trade this one? When it go up too high already, okay? $8, $8.50 right here. I love ball flats. You see ball flats? You jump in here, okay? Ball flat, you jump in here, all right? When the ball flat, not go down, the chart not broken, you keep go higher, okay? And here, go all the way here, you see over here. Over here, no, maybe no, it's too high already, all right? So here the line. When you right here, you draw a line right here, okay? You draw a line. You draw a ball flat, okay? $7. You don't know how high it can go, right? Right here. $8. Draw a line. Hit 8, go down, short, try to short. Okay, here very easy. You see same thing? Look. VWAP. Break new high. You jump in, you don't get out, okay? Forget about this one, okay? Doing this one, all right? Because right now easy to say, but how about when you light trim? What you got to do, okay? What you got to do right here. Easy to say, right, guys? Easy, right? Right now it's easy to say, right? Yeah, it's easy. I can say right now everything. Okay? When it's $7 right here, it's up. I know this one from a runner. You see, you draw a line right here, you draw a line, right? Draw a line. Draw a line right there. See? When this one break under this line, you get out, right? Everything underneath, get out. Over here too. Under here, get out. And you see this one here, $8, 810, 820 right here. 820 go down. 820 go down. You know that's the short, right to short right there. 820 go up a lot already, right? And then you see right here, you jumping right here, guys. Okay, you get in 850, right? Before you get in 850, you know where to get out. You have to get out right here, underneath here, okay? That's the setup, okay? Jump, 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 in here. Go up, take half right here. Usually I take half to be sure, and then it's choppy. It not break out. It build in the bowl flat. I love bowl flat, that's all I say. Everything go up, every stock go up, right here. At least 1, 2, or 3 bowl flats. Okay? 1, I call this 1 right here. I call this 2. And here the big bowl flat, fighting. You already out already. I don't want to go down too much like this. See, this is 3 bowl flat. Look at that, 3 bowl flat. 1, 2, 3, done. Backside. When the backside, don't touch it. Symbol like that. Name everything right now, guys. You guys don't say nothing. I'm out. Crazy. All right. Look something light right now, okay? Okay, look at this one. This one, no volume. See something with volume so I can trade, okay? Let's check NVIDIA. Look at it, guys. See right there? NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA. You can see that? NVIDIA. I draw the ball flat. Right here, ball flats. Okay. Let's talk about NVIDIA right now. You see right here? At this time, I already draw the ball plot. And then you have to update the ball plot because the market moving. You have to move the ball plot too, okay? Look at it too far. Look at here right there, guy. Look at that guy. See, even big company that do the same thing. Look at right here. 140 right here. Look at here, guy. I say 140. Be careful right here. You see, I draw a line right here, guy. Look here. Okay, 140, 140, 141 right there. Because everybody here the ball flat. Okay, let's draw here. All right. This have volume. First of all, you have volume. Second, you have good nail. All right. This one pump here. When you see it right here, too late already. Let it go down. See that's why I draw the ball flat right here. I say ball flat, but the ball flat is like this. After it's done, the ball flat. Let it go all the way down, ball flat, down, draw the line right here. Draw this line right here, okay? This is a big ball flat right here, guys. That's called ball flat. And you buy it right here. 138.50, okay? Volume pick up, big volume. You see reversal. Imagine everybody jump in already, but the stock not go higher. That means the good stock go down, okay? And let the ball flat right here and see what's going on. When this one break, go higher. That's it, okay? This is called double top. See what's going on. If this one go down, backside. If this one break, go higher. That's the market tell me, not my brain. My brain don't think nothing right now. Right here. ball flat. Okay, last week when United Air Healthcare go all the way down, and a lot of people ask me what's going on, and you know what I say? They're building the bear flat. Okay, at that time right here I show you. All right, I show you right here. UNH, right? UNH, United Air. A lot of people ask me, and I tell them the daily chart right here. Okay, right here, daily chart. Okay, they ask me right here, guys. Where they ask me. At that time, go down all the way 50 points or something. They ask me about 350. They say buy or not. I say buy the dip, ball flats, bear flats. What the bear flat mean right here? Okay, look at here, 60 minutes, 14 days, easy to see right here. You see right here? I say it built in the bear flat right here. It's called bear flat, guy. Right here, see? It can go higher, 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 because people see by right here 250, higher, higher, higher. They make $50, $70. That's a good trade. Buy the dip. I know somebody asked me right there. But when you look at the daily chart, easy to see right here, guys. Easy to see. Look, that's what I tell them. Buy the bear flats a week ago, and exactly what happened. You see right here, higher volume. You see reversal. This is a hammer, dodgy. Okay, this is dodgy, good. You see reversal right here. Ball. I draw the line. I draw exactly like this. Look at here. Maybe come back here. I don't know. See, I don't want to do guessing game. Maybe double bottom. And this one, if this one break here, you can buy. But down here, be careful. Something wrong with this company. Inside trading. They know. People know what's going on. That's all. Okay, ESBP. Let's check it out. Live stream. ESBP. Moving. Look at that. All the way down, right? This is by the deep breakout right there. Okay, 2-minute chart. Look at that, guy. You see? Everything go up. Ball flat. All right, this is a live stream right now, not Mickey Mouse. And let it go. Let it go. We don't know how high can it go, okay? Because this is all the way bottom. Something, this is almost bankruptcy right here. Bankruptcy, look at it. From 14 bucks go to a 50 cents start to move right now. Something crazy, right? When it move, you jump in right here, right here. Because when we know right here, let's see, too late already. Not too late, don't say nothing, okay? I don't know. Okay, right here. Because this one, the last short squeeze right now. Because a lot of people short this, and then some good news coming out. Let's see what's going on. Learning, once again. You like me don't know what's going on. We don't know this side. What's going on this side, okay? We know this side already, right? We know, right? So what's going on this side? Don't know. We just react only, okay? If this one go up, see, it go up here. This one up a lot. From 50 cents go to 80 cents, 30 cents, that's a lot. Almost 40% right there. And right now, $1. Usually this one I mark at dollars. $1, guy. $1 support, okay? I watching the volume, $1 support. Let's see what's going on. Is that ball flat? Let's see, ball flat supported $1. When this one break in the $1, the short thing is good, and then it's curve back up $1. It's long, good for long. Let's see, look where I see right there, $1 guy, $1 support. Look at $1. Look at that. You see 110 resistance. That's, I don't know why, but that's usually everything break $1, go to 110 and start to go down. I don't know why, but when you go down, $1. Break out $1, go to 80 cents. I got no idea, but that's, I think that's all the psychology behind it. We trade by the human being, that's all. $1, okay? You see, when I look at the chart, I mark like that. That's the way I am. Even underneath here, done. Go all the way back down to right here. Let's see. How, right here, guys. Right here, 84 cents. When it break, 99 cents, go to 84. Look at 85, see? That's the way the short try to short. Look at 97, see, right there? But let it dip and read. When it read $1, go to 110. Let's see what's going on, all right? I don't know, but that's the way it is. See, the short say, oh, I'm short right now, good, good, easy. And then he went, look at $1. See, the fighting at $1, right? Keep fighting. Keep fighting. If you want to see 105, you see 110. See the chart broke already, right here. Uptrend break. Ball plus. Ball plus at $1. Ball plus at $1. Not easy, guys. Look at it. 102 resistance again. Break 102, 04, 05, 110. Break 110, go higher. Look at this one up all 300% already. Crazy guy. This one up 300% today. 102 cannot break 102. 103, 103, 104, 5. No. Follow. See the bottom. You don't see the bottom. Look at the bottom. You look at the bottom. When we look up here, we forgot to look down here, okay? See, something up 300% not going down, that means the short got problem. All right. If you like, you can buy one share right here and see learning. If underneath here, you put out the stop right there. Okay. You put out the stop right here, get out right here, and waiting the ball flat. When you break 110, go higher. If not, go down. Is that 60 millions here or what? Crazy. See, you got the plan. If you're wrong, get out. If you win, you have room. How big the room is? Let's see here. Look at it, too big. Look at this guy, crazy guy. Look at this one. I don't know what's going on with this company, but from $14 right now only, look at it. Okay. Here resistance. Yeah, 84 cents somewhere. Oh, look at that guy. Painful. We were losing a lot of money on this one. Right here. 185. They have room. When they break 110, go 185, guy. Resistance right here, $1. Look at that. This is one you can trade tomorrow too. AMBP is biotech because there is something wrong with the testing. It's not working. That's why. This is on my list right now, guys. Let's see what's going on. ASBP. Look here, guys. Look at it here. $1 almost. Look, try to hold on $1. I don't know why the $1, guys. See this one all the way up, start to go down, but I draw the line right here, $1. All right. Let's see beginning right here. Okay. When it start go to 108, I say she. Start to go down, be in ball flat. Let me marking right here. I mark right here. That's the resistance, 85 cents. Right here, 109, 108, 109 here. Okay. And the resist all the way to 185 up here somewhere. That's a good resistance. When it break 110, go higher. And I mark $1. Wait, $1. I mark $1 right here. I don't know what's going on with $1, but usually that's my experience. Okay? And the build in the ball, let's see one line right here, 104. That's another 104 right here, basing. 98, 104. Okay? 104, 98. Under 98, you need to get out all of them. 105, good, too long. But be careful right here. 110 right here. Be careful, that's all. Let's see what's going on. 1 o'clock, $1. You guys have any question or no? All right, but when you look at 30 minutes right here, look here, guys, very clear. See, you don't see nothing when you see a daily chart, but when you have 30 minutes, all right, 10 days, 2 months, look here, 24 cents all the way now. $1 right here, guys. Okay, $1, 70 cents right there. You can see that. This one from 25 cents to 75, 300%. 300%. Was it yesterday or today? I don't know. Look here, 10:30. Yesterday, after hour, look. And then I start to curve back up again. This is easy money right here, guys. It's easy money. And you're watching the ball plot. Look here, right? You see that? Very clear, right? It come up 300%, not going down. And they have the ball sheet right here. This is a nice setup right here. This is called A+ setup right here, guys. Jump in here. Be careful right here. 72 cents. Break 72, $1. Stuck at $1. You see, that's why this is very clear. And then you go down here. This is a minute chart right here. If you draw right here, you draw the line here and see what's going on. Okay, draw the line 72 cents right here. Here the palm right here, guys. You see that? That's why charting is good, guys. Here the palm, here the palm, here the palm. Almost 77 right there, breakout right now. See right here? Let it break out. Let it go. 105. Let's see. Break 105 or not? 105, everything step by step, okay? Look at it, cannot break 105, but cannot go down $1, very easy. That's the beauty of trading, guys. That's your edge. If you know all this one, plan your trade. If you have planned your trade, you're okay. You're watching the volume, you're watching the news, you look at technical. If you're wrong, you get out. If this one break, 90, 95, 98 cents here, and the short try to short, the short thing is go lower, but it start to curve back up because deep and deep. That's called short squeeze. Look at here, 104, 105, cannot break. And look at this guy too. Look at here, Rick guy, Nvidia, look at that. Nvidia guy. This guy see right here, ball flash. Break the ball flash at resistance. When the ball flash at resistance, it kind of weird, you know, not go straight up, not go like here and here, you know, not go like that. It goes slightly resistant, you know, all the short cover. Look at this one. Look at this one, okay. Hollow, not hollow. We talk about SPRE right here. Look at here, it's holding right there, okay. Look at the VWAP. Look at that guy. The short don't want to short, the long don't want to buy. Look at that guy. You see VWAP? Classic guy, VWAP. See over here, this one right here. Resistance right there. Let me show you 1 minute right here. Look. See, 1 minute, we draw the line. We draw a line right here. It touch right there, not go all over. Very easy, huh? What I say, 217, right? And not go down. It's up 200% and not go down 217. Very easy, guy. See there? That's called technical. Doesn't matter what your logic is. Something up 200%, not down even 1 cent at 217. Crazy, huh? Let's call it, what's this, Nvidia or something? Yeah. This is an Nvidia ETF, only $10. You can buy this better than Nvidia, look, guys. See? NVDS. NV. NVDS. And go back to this guy right here. Look at it stuck right there. Crazy, huh? Something up almost 320%, not going down. A lot of short try. This looks like a bear flop. Be careful. I don't like this look right here. See, nobody step in. Bear flash. I don't like the look. I don't like the look. Look right here, guys. See? This one, resistant. Break right here, 72 cents resistance. Break here, pull back, pull back. If you try this one, you can buy some right here. You stop right here, guys. Look at here, you stop right here. You buy right there. Bear flash. You see right here, small bear flash, break. Perfect right here, buy here. Mat lot right here. You stop there, buy here, boom, boom, boom. 110, pull back. This one right here, look like weak bear flash. If this one break here, you need to get out. But when you curve back up, 110, you jumping in. You jumping in, you get out 107 because they go down to $1. It's crazy one right here, guy. The problem, no volume, that's why. I like to pick up some volume. If not, this one start to go down. Oh no. When it go down to 97 cents, you be careful. Be careful right here. 97 cents. Yep, strike right there. Try, guy. You try to go down. $98, very heavy support. One candle, 2 cents only make a lot of difference, guys. Only 2 cents. Something up almost 300%, but only 2 cents make a lot of difference. That's the way of stock market is. Be careful with 2 cents, guys. Look at that. Cannot break 2 cents. Buy a step in right here. What the heck? That's all you. That's all computer, guy. Before not like this, but right now the chart very clear. Because all the AI, all the programmer, they use in the technical. They use in the chart to translate how to trade, not fundamental. At this time, fundamental doesn't work. Fundamental work for long term, okay? If day trade, don't use fundamental. It not work right now, okay? Doesn't matter what number it is. Look like NVIDIA right now, different, okay? If you want NVIDIA for long term, that's you look at fundamental, okay? Look at that right there. NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA, okay? Boom. Watch out this one, 97 cent, guy. 97 cents. Don't like it. Don't like the look right here. Don't like the look. Look, 97 cents. 97, 96. The short right there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. What did I say? What did I say? See? 97 cents. I told you, be careful. I don't like the look. 93, you see right there? Almost 70 cents from $1. I don't like the look. Look at that. That's a classic. That's a good lesson. That's a good lesson, and nobody give me a light even. No light, huh? You guys see that? No light either, huh? Say you guys love learning. Look at that guy. 98 cents. You need to get out. Look at that. Beautiful. You guys see that? That's called technical, guy. And nobody give me a light. I just said 84, 80, 85, 84, 85 cents. See what's going on? It building the small ball flat right here. Let's see, right here. Let's see, go down all the way down there or not. Yep, here the bear flat. Look at that. Look at the bear flat right there, guy. Bear flat at the at the support. It start to go. Look at the bear flat. The backside, the chart broken. Don't touch it. 80% waiting back. You have to wait again right now. No setup right now, so not the setup. The possibility, exactly what I say, you guys. I draw the line. The possibility this happen right here, and nobody care. Nobody want to give me a light either, even. You can see right here. That's what I say. You can see that? Be careful right here. Look. This I draw before it happened. Be careful. Look here, the line. This is called shell signal. Boom, boom, boom. Be careful right here. Be careful of the support right here. When they break here, I don't want to touch it. This is the one we draw about 30 minutes ago somewhere. What the time? Okay, the time 7 right here, 17 o'clock right here, okay? Alright? Look at the time right here, 15. Look right there, okay? Does that make sense? Look good? Oh man, man, man. That's a classic right there, guy. Classic, something go up and then you think go higher. And they say be careful here. When they break here, go down. And look at this. That's what I draw. Perfect, guy. Look at that, guy. See? So I need to save this and see what's going on. Need to save this. Save, save, save. Save, plan your trade. What I say this one, recap. Okay. This one, yeah, okay, 2080 through. Okay, put down new chart, right, new file right here called recap. Good plan. Recap, good plan. That's what we plan, right? So we put down here, recap, good plan. Okay. I put down recap, good plan. What the symbol? I forgot the symbol. ASBP. ASBP 001, file number 1. See, I saved this one, okay? Because this one we planned, right? We planned this one, and right now I cleared this, and I saved this one. It happened exactly the same. You guys don't like? Give me a like, guy. Man, man, man. Give me a like. Right here, recap. I say be careful right here. I don't like it. Watch my video again. I said this one, be careful. Look at here. I put that shell right there. And this one, bare flat right here. Support right here. See what's going on. It breaks support, go all the way back down here. Okay? No good. I have a lot of room here. Alright, I save this. Okay, recap, good plan. Not good setup, okay? Good planning. Save. Okay, nice support right here and see what's going on. Look at that crazy guy. Breaks the support. Alright, that's it, guys. I show you guys the good secret. Nobody want to give me a like. Alright, bye-bye.